Hi, welcome back to our channel. The white asparagus time is huge here in Germany, and in today's video we will be showing you two traditional white asparagus recipes and how to make them in one go. First we will be cooking white asparagus and then we will make a soup out of the white asparagus stock. And if you are new here, my name is Marta from Cooking the Word. We produce one video a week, so please subscribe to our channel for more content about traditional food. Before you start cooking white asparagus, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind. For these recipes, we will need to buy fresh, straight white asparagus. Keep fresh asparagus not longer than 2 days in the fridge. For peeling, you will need vegetable peeler and large bowl with cold water, where you will place your white asparagus after peeling it so it doesn't dry out. For the first recipe, we will need potatoes, cooked ham, sauce hollandaise, and of course white asparagus. At the beginning, cut off the ends if they are woody and start peeling white asparagus below the head toward the end. Repeat the process until you have finished peeling the whole stalk. Check each stalk very carefully with the fingernail. The woody fibers are mostly at the bottom. To cook evenly, white asparagus should be cooked in large spaghetti pots. If you don't have one, take the largest pot that you have and make sure the white asparagus lies flat in the pot. Before cooking, add sugar, salt and wine to the water. If the white asparagus doesn't fit in the pot, don't worry, we're gonna use the small pieces in the soup. Cook the white asparagus for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the thickness. Check if the white asparagus is tender before removing it from the pot, and do not throw away the asparagus stock. Serve hot with boiled potatoes, hot sauce hollandaise and cooked ham. For the second recipe, we will need from the previous recipe white asparagus stock and at least 6 white asparagus stalks cut into cubes. Additionally, we will need all-purpose flour and butter for roux, and salt, sugar, pepper, chives and whipped cream for seasoning and garnish. Take a large pot and melt the batter on the medium heat. Turn the heat to low, add flour and start stirring vigorously. If you have a whisk, use it. We don't have one in the caravan. As soon as the sauce starts to bubble, cook for 5 minutes, and at this point your roux is ready. Add slowly stock to the roux and keep on stirring. After you have added 1/3 of the liquid, you can pour the rest and wait until it cooks. Don't forget to stir from time to time. Season your soup with salt, pepper and sugar if needed. In the small bowl, put few cubes of white asparagus, garnish with whipped cream and chives. I really hope you did enjoy this video, and the link to the printable recipes you will find in the description box below. Guten Appetit and see you next week!